Hello and welcome to today's video. We are talking all about pregnancy and those yoga twists. So the ones where your pelvis is facing one way and you turn to face the other way, and some people who are really good at twisting may turn all the way around. Is that a safe thing to do during pregnancy? We'll talk about some of the benefits of those twisting poses during pregnancy. We'll talk about whether they are safe and healthy for mom and for growing baby. And last but not least, we'll talk about a couple ways to modify those poses so that when they don't feel super good in pregnant mom's body, there are some other options so that she can get some of the same benefits without any discomfort at all. So stick around. And if you're new here, hello, I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Erica. I have a blog, Spoiled Yogi, and both this channel and the blog are all about supporting moms at all stages and phases of mom life. It's just about learning to find a little bit more peace by incorporating mindfulness and yoga into your daily life. If that sounds like something you are interested in and you need more of, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, click on the bell so you'll be notified of all of our upcoming videos, and hang around. Let's get into today's topic. Is it safe for pregnant moms to do twisting yoga poses? First of all, let's talk about what a twist is. It's any posture where you have your pelvis facing one direction and your shoulders turn to face another direction, like this. This can be problematic for a mom who has a baby bump for one big reason. That is, it squishes the baby. If there's too much of a turn through the midsection, it can be really uncomfortable for baby and for mom. So as long as that's not happening, twisting is completely safe and healthy for a pregnant mom to do. There are a couple things to keep in mind though. So of course, you want to avoid any twists that squish the baby. That would look like something like this. So Ardha Matsyendrasana is one of the most popular twists. And you can see, even if I set up for the pose, this would be kind of squishy on a mom with a baby bump. All right, it becomes even more squishy, the scientific term, if chest lifts and you twist into this lifted knee right here. There is nowhere for a baby bump to go if you really twist into it. So most pregnant moms are going to just use their common sense and know that that's not for them, and they're not going to do it. It's not rocket science, right? Don't squish the baby, listen to your body. In these sorts of postures, most of the time you can modify by just twisting the other way. But that doesn't always work. So we'll talk about a couple other things that you can do to make sure that you're not squishing the baby when you are twisting. All right. So the big thing is this. Any twist that you take while you are pregnant, you want to take more in the upper back, the chest, and the shoulders, and less from the chest down, right? This is where baby is. Don't twist from that direction because babies don't like to be wrung out like a dirty rag. So think about this. Definitely always, whether you're pregnant or not, when you're twisting, find as much length of the spine as you can. So the crown of the head up toward the ceiling as much as you can. Sitting bones rooting down into the ground. Really rooted and grounded, right? Exhale, turn to the side. My shoulders move over to the left, but guess what? My belly button stays straight forward. That's how I know that the twist is coming more from my upper back and my chest and my shoulders and not from the midsection, which, by the way, when you're not pregnant, is kind of the opposite of what you want to do. When you're not pregnant, you want to twist with the whole spine. So I've already mentioned one modification, which is just to twist the other direction if you have a knee or if you are forward folding at all and you feel squishy where your belly is. The other modification that I mentioned is to twist from your upper body. So that's 2. And third, and one that I actually like the most, is the modification where you just keep yourself upright. So a lot of poses in yoga, think about a lunge where you have your hands together and you are, I don't have room to really lunge, so I'll just show you, and you are twisting in a prayer twist. Let's say you keep your torso up instead of folding forward, then you have lots of room to twist. I have a blog post about this. I will link to it down in the comments below. Be sure you check it out for a little bit more detailed description on how to modify one of the twists that I see most often, especially in vinyasa flow classes, which is that lunge prayer twist. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Come back again and watch our next video in this series where we'll be talking about whether it's safe or not to do standing balancing poses during pregnancy. I'll see you next time.